Okay, well, here we are at the Wyndham.
DFW airport.
Yeah. Interesting.
Like the Lamb Vader here. Look at this.
Yeah.
Or shiny. I don't think I've ever seen a floor like this in an elevator. This feels
No.
like it should be a nightclub or something.
Yeah. Not gonna say I'm a fan, but about time.
Innovation buttons on that side.
I noticed that. I think I see some Dover blue, so I think these are probably Dover, if I had to guess.
This is such a weird mod, though.
Yeah, kind of not a very good mod. What the hell were they doing?
That floor is just making my day.
Yeah. They are. Yeah. I bet you there's probably another bank on the other side of the HoliDome.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, this is.
This is a dual branded Ramada Wyndham. I think we're on the Wyndham side now. Nice smoke.
Yeah. There it all.
I'll let Dan be the first one into the Glam Vader this time.
Feeling all the glam with the door disease here.
I like the mirror you get in the back. It's a little bit warped.
Oh, and they even put a trash can for us. How nice.
Yeah, the other one had that too. Well, this one has two panels that are the same.
Interesting. I'll bet you this elevator got a full under the hood replacement.
I'm actually gonna pop off up here and take a peek around.
Okay. Go down to one. Let's get you a good view of this cab. Yeah, definitely some questionable design choice by whoever renovated this place, whoever modded these elevators. Can't say I'm really a big fan of the nightclub aesthetic, or the door disease for that matter. Well, that is it, at least for this bank. Okay, and I found myself another elevator here. I don't know what kind of fixtures these are. These look like those TK VR buttons, the Dover VR buttons. Clearly, it's going to be a little bit before we get this. Before we go, elevator 2. We filmed 3 and 4. So we filmed 1. This one's a little different, although kind of more of the same. Same glam cab. Probably one of the most obnoxious fans I've ever heard in my life.
I could have gave.
I think I found car number 1. Yeah, I'm thinking this is a Dover. One probably runs the best out of all of them. Actually, that's an MAC interlock. Could be like an old Montgomery or something. You know, that motor does sound like what you would find in like a Montgomery Kone. I don't know. Texas records aren't really of much use when it comes to identifying what something used to be. Maybe somebody actually filmed this in the past, though. Okay, well, that's it.